Your iPhone has a cool ability to be able to pay at checkout. Whether you're at a grocery store, a coffee shop, or at a restaurant, you can always just use your iPhone to be able to pay for the bill using your default cards that are on your phone. But what happens when it fails? It's not recognizing that NFC reader. Let's get it all back up and running and working. Now, the first thing that you'll want to do is keep in mind your iPhone will interact with the kiosk through the NFC reader. So the first thing you're going to do is look for where the NFC reader is on that kiosk. It's usually a symbol that looks sort of like this. It's kind of waves permeating out, and sometimes there's a little person with a hand. The next thing is that you need to make sure your iPhone is touching the correct location. So both your iPhone will need to touch where that NFC reader on the pay side, but you can also see where the NFC reader is on your iPhone. If you're tapping the bottom of your iPhone, for instance, on that NFC reader, it won't register it. So the top edge of your iPhone needs to tap exactly where the NFC reader is on the pay checkout. That's the first step, but the second step is a lot of times cases on your iPhone could cause issues with those NFC sound waves or radio waves to be connecting with the NFC reader. So next, try to take the case off of your iPhone and see if taking the case off works. If that doesn't work, take your finger and swipe down from the top right and tap on the airplane icon at the top left to turn on airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds and then just tap on it again to reconnect to everything. If that doesn't work, let's tap on the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down, tap on General midway down, scroll down again to the bottom, and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone at the bottom. From here, tap on Reset at the top, and then choose Reset Network Settings, the second option. You're just going to enter in the passcode for your phone, and this will reset all of the network settings for your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc., but it helps to reset that NFC reader. After we've done that, if this doesn't work, the next thing we're going to do is a hard reset on your phone. To be able to do that, you're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold this side button on the right until you see an Apple logo. So I'll show you how that works. Volume up, volume down, and then press and hold that side button. You'll see it says slide to power off, but I'm going to keep holding until the phone screen goes completely black, and then I see the Apple logo appear. So after a couple of seconds, you'll be able to see that Apple logo appears. I can release my fingers, and at that point, you've done a hard restart or reset on your iPhone, completely safe to do. And that should fix that NFC reader to allow you to be able to pay for things when you're out and about without having to pull out your wallet. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.